Upgraded from iQOO to iPhone, but don't want to lose your music? In this video, I'll show you a few simple and reliable ways to transfer your songs easily. Way 1. Transfer music from iQOO to iPhone with phone transfer. Sending music from iQOO to iPhone can be tricky due to system differences. The easiest solution is a reliable tool like phone transfer. It quickly moves data between devices or backs up to a computer with ease. Step 1. After installing the program successfully, connect both your iQOO phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Launch the software and it will automatically detect both devices. Step 2. Make sure your iQOO phone is set as the source device. You'll see it on the main screen. If it's not, simply use the drop-down to switch to the correct device. Step 3. Choose the music option, then click Export to Device and select your iPhone as the destination. Let the transfer finish completely, and don't unplug either device during the process. Way 2. Move songs from iQOO to iPhone using iTunes. Connect iQOO to PC. Copy songs to a folder. On Mac, use Android file transfer. Connect iPhone, open iTunes. Add songs. Select iPhone Music Sync. Way 3. Copy music from iQOO to iPhone via Google Drive. On iQOO, open Google Drive. Sign in. Tap plus to upload music. On iPhone, open Drive. Sign in with same account. Then play or download the songs. Way 4. Transfer music from iQOO to iPhone via music streaming app. Don't want the hassle of transfers? Use a streaming app like Spotify. It works on both iQOO and iPhone. Lets you stream, browse, and create playlists. Just log in on your iPhone with the same account to access or re-download your songs. Way 5. Move songs from iQOO to iPhone with SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both phones. Connect to same Wi-Fi. On iQOO, tap Send Music. Select Songs. On iPhone, tap Receive. Choose iPhone on iQOO to start transfer.